For the changing of the mode, we loosen the 4 screws of this mode, and then we loosen this bolt, or we call it also a pin, and also the push rod with it. Each mode has its own push rod, and then we insert the bolt back and tighten the 4 screws, and this panel should be parallel with this panel, and then tighten up the screws. And for the pin nozzle, this we call pin nozzle should be taller than the mold, little bit taller. Should be some clearance here. And the different spring, the step will be different, so we need to adjust the height. We loosen these 2 screws and loosen the nut and this screw. When we twist it down, this whole block will be lifted up a little bit. And when we loosen the screw, this whole block will be raised a little bit. And after the adjustment, we tighten these 2 screws and the nut and the screw of this middle screw using a spanner. This is for the height adjustment, and for the forward and the rearward adjustment, we put a pin in the hole and manually press this pressing needle down lightly until at this position should not be too low and exceed the position of placing the clip. And then we find a bigger side of the clip and put it here. Then there are two sliding. We put the bigger side clip here, and this. And because this push needle is fixed position, we need to adjust these 2 sliding blocks. There are 32 blocks, one upper and one lower. And the upper is for forward rear adjustment, and the lower one is for the left and the right adjustment. And our purpose, the down one, the lower one is for the left and right, and we loosen the nut and the screw and use a hex wrench to adjust the forward and the rearward. Our purpose is to align the needle with the center of the hole of the clips here. And because we push a bigger side clip here, we need the hole to be aligned with the pricing needle. After adjustment, we tighten all these screws and then tighten the nuts. And using this hex wrench for the adjustment, forward and rearward, left and rightward.